Today we're going to learn about bubble sort. Let's see how it works with this example. We'll compare each pair of consecutive items, and if they're in the wrong order, we'll swap them. The biggest number will bubble up to the end of the list with each pass, kind of like a bubble floating to the top of water. As we go, the sorted part of the array will grow from the end. Let's watch bubble sort in action. This part will be an animation, so no talking here. And that's it. Sorting complete. That's how bubble sort works. Thanks for watching.